Do you have a document and maybe you discover that there's an error on the document and there's no means for you correcting it instantly, and you are thinking of what to do? Maybe you don't have any editing software in your machine like Photoshop, and you're wondering how you can do it. You can just use Paint to correct the document while you go and correct it later on. And let's say you want to correct your name, maybe your name was wrongly spelled and you are wondering how you can correct your name. I'm going to show you how you can correct it with this simple software, Paint. Paint is a software that comes with every Windows operating system. I don't know about Mac. If you are using Windows, then you always have Paint in your computer. It is installed with the operating system. You just need to come over here to the search, to this search icon, and then you search Paint. You will see it. This is it here. It's a very simple software which you can use to edit your document. So this is what we do to edit this document. This is Stanley Review. In this channel you can grow your skill. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get updated every time I post a new video. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is that you right click on the picture, you move to open with, select Paint. Now the picture is now open in the software Paint. As you can see, these are the features up here. You can see these are colors. You can manipulate the colors. These are shapes that you can use, the text tool, and many others. Now also here you have a copy, you have cut, and you have paste. Here are selection tools, which you have the free form selection and also the rectangular selection. So the first thing you want to do is that you need to know the font, the exact font type and size which was used. So you come over to the text tool and just select an area, then type. So let's type the name Alembe. Let's say we want to correct this name from Alembe to Alimbe. That was the error there, and now we wish to correct the name. So the first thing you want to do is that you type the name and you need to make sure that it looks exactly the same like the one that is here. If you look at this one, it's not the same. The font type is not the same, even the size is not the same. So you need to make sure you look for the font type that is exactly the same with that name. So in this case, let's search. You come over here to the font type selection space, and then you start searching for the font type that will match this one here. I think this is Times New Roman, so I'm just going to be using Times New Roman. And if you look at it, this one here is bold, and it means you need to make it bold too. So now I think we got the font type. Now let's make sure we also have the size. Look at, if you measure it here, the sizes are not the same. So I will now look for the size that will match. This one is 40. Let me just reduce maybe to 28. This one is small. Let me try 37. This one is big, so I'll try 34. This one also is big, so I will try 31. Yes, I think I got it. So this is it. It is size 31, font size 31, and the font is Times New Roman. So what you want to do now is that you highlight it and cut it, paste it somewhere, paste the name somewhere. After you cut it, paste the name. Then while you come over here, you take the rectangular selection. You cover the name. Now select the text tool, come over here where you paste that name, copy it and paste. Let me just adjust it. Now you fit it where it exactly on that same spot. Now you fit it exactly on that same spot. You do your correction. The correction was that here was supposed to be I, and now you have it exactly like that. So now you can edit. If you look at this one, it's too bright, it's too dark, so you highlight it, come to edit colors and reduce the darkness. Maybe let's put something like this around here, click OK, and you see the black now is now faint, but when you look at it, it's too faint, so we want to increase it a bit, maybe something like that. It's still a bit faint, increase it again, maybe something like that, and I think it's okay now. So it looks exactly the same, and then when you are done, you click save, and that is it. You are done editing your document. Very simple. That is it. There, it looks exactly the same. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Please like the video.